based on my learning, okay, as an investor, as a CFA, as a CFP practitioner, okay. So when I discuss with you that key information ratio is most important, okay. So out of 5 fund, we have a 3 fund has a positive information ratio and 2 fund has a negative information ratio, okay. So if we combine 2 3 important ratio like information ratio, okay, it must be positive, okay. So in that condition, by applying all this quantitative analysis, okay, I like to go with the first with the example Nippon. Second, I can go with the uh, SBI. I like to say that if you are aggressive investor and you want 1 or 2% extra return, yes, you can go with the SBI also. Okay, because I am not saying that key number one fund is likely to expect the higher return. I am saying number one in